Okay, Skully Dappz back. Yeah, and this one's called riddim. Versa Productions. Once again, yeah, it's a straight slewage. YTM, young fog mentalities. Just listen carefully. Young folk mentality to milk off money. Finish him off with the fatalities. I'm a rude boy by my personality. Too fucked that, that's why my mama's mad at me. I ain't slipping, I'm holding it down like gravity. Niggas get killed in Burley. Calorie on the realist reality. Yeah, your pledge is to grind. That's what they keep telling me. Your pledge is not grind. So don't try challenging me. Your boss is shit and I pull like charity. When I put the yarpies do it the whole family. Fuck them niggas, I know they try savage me. When I'm on Tinder, know they can't manage me. And I don't spit bars cause everyone else splits. Been spitting bars since I was about 6. Can't fuck around with my YTM clicker. No for boss, which one shall I spit? This one or that one? Now this is how sick blood. You do shit, I make it very quick. Between bars like twigs. Get a new plum and get some new rice. There's a few tips you bricks. You don't want me to get mad and switch your blood. Drop the strap and don't forget the clip. They would have been the yard, but the strap to protect you. Where fuck is bitch getting out of skin for? If it runs off, make sure that you're chasing. I want him dead, nobody's to be wasted. It pisses me off like blood when I taste it. When I spit bars in my man gets high when you spit bars in my man gets bored. 100% I'll make you when I class. There's no way that me you do gonna draw. When it's spit bars, I could go like a ride, man. Stick clean and you get in the yard. When I spit bars in my man, tell it round of a blue shit pussy. Look at your causes, big boy beef, this big boy war. Talk to everyone at the start. When Skully Dappz coming on the set, I take over. Boss is shitting in the makeup, I'm pure. Fuck that niggas that come down your ends in a blacked out Range Rover. Then it's game over. You can get fucked up easily. Fuck them girls who love they teasing me. One day them haters they believe in me. Every time I spit, the DJ can't stop wheeling me. Cause the crowd's always feeling me. I clutch. You know what I mean to bring the whole team in me. Told you before, you can't compete with me. There's no way you're gonna be beating me. Skully's gonna get banned, Skully gonna get shagged. Yeah right, show your mouth, come deal with me. What the fucking niggas sharky for? What you seeing me? Is it the cheesing me? Is it the THU? Cheating me. Fuck the niggas around to try beating me. Big up every man out there is to play my tracks and the feeling me. Yeah, and I done told ya. It's a straight slewage. Yeah, Skully Dappz. Okay. And big up Versa on the production. Yeah, big, I'm out.
DJ Versa.